Good morning students and welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Student, what do you know about Earth? We all know that Earth is round in shape and Earth is divided in continents and oceans. But and we also know that mostly Earth is covered by water. Near about 71% Earth is covered by water and only 29% is covered with land. We also know that but in that 71% only we are having 3% drinkable water. Rest all water is there in the form of sea or oceans. Or some water is stored in water exists in a iceberg, glacier and this kind of snow form which we cannot use to drink or in a domestic way. But what we more know about Earth? Do you know something more? Okay, then we will see. So, can you see a picture? What is it? Is it a picture of globe or Earth? Yes, but the main highlighted part is not Pangaea. What is Pangaea? It was believed that millions of years ago, the Earth land masses were joined together in one supercontinent, and that supercontinent was known as Pangaea. This Pangaea was surrounded by a huge ocean, but that huge ocean was known as Panathlasa. But after many years, the second picture which you can see that Pangaea is to break into several continents and divide apart. And that part divided are turned into continents. That one continent is divided into many parts and that continents divided a huge ocean into 5 oceans that we know today. So in this chapter we'll learn more about Earth, that how our planet look like from space. We'll learn that past of Earth and the present of Earth. First of all, come to I Explore session. In this chapter we will be able to know about the Earth and its land and water, learn about the shape of the Earth, recall what globe and maps are, learn about different type of maps and feature of maps. Now come to I Read session. The Earth in the past. It was believed that millions of years ago the Earth's land masses were joined together in one supercontinent. It was called the Pangaea, which was surrounded by one huge ocean called the Panthalassa. It took millions of years for the Pangaea to break up into several continents, drift apart. The Panthalassa crept in between the continents and divided into 5 oceans that we have today. The Earth has about 71% water and 29% of land, out of which about 96.5% of water is in ocean and seas. The rest of the water exists in ice cap, glaciers and river and lakes. A small amount is also present under the ground as underground water. Scientists and astronomers are looking for water on other planets, both in and outside our solar system, in search of extraterrestrial life. What is extraterrestrial life? Means the life that exists on another planet is not known as extraterrestrial life. Now we know that Earth was made up of Pangaea, means a supercontinent, and it was surrounded by a big ocean. But after million years ago, the continents divided into parts and the ocean also divided into 5 oceans. And the earth is 71% earth is covered with water, but we are having only 3% drinkable water or usable water. The other water is there in the form of seas, oceans, or the other like ice caps and glaciers, so that we cannot use. That is why scientists are finding life on another planet of our solar system and other solar system. This is the main reason why astronauts keep searching on other life on other planets. Now students, come to iExtend session of our course book. iExtend session. Find out the meaning of this word. Astronomy and astronomers. These two words are relative words, but first we will learn the meaning of astronomy. If we get the meaning of astronomy, we will get the meaning of automatically we will get the meaning of astronomer. Astronomer, the scientific study of the sun, moon, stars, etc. means scientific study of our solar system and other solar system, other planets is known as astronomy. And the person who is doing that study, who studies astronomy, is known as astronomer. Now come to iDiscover session on page number 43. What is the full form of NASA and what is it famous for? The full form of NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Now come to iDiscover session on page number 43. What is the full form of NASA and what is it famous for? The full form of NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA is US government agency which is working on space projects, and it is famous for its space research and other research projects on solar system. They are continuously working on the high level to find out life on other planets and on our solar system. If the planet consists life, the presence of gases, minerals and other things are there or not, that they are searching and continuously researching on that thing. So NASA is famous for its space research project. So today we will learn that how our earth was looking in the previous time, and now how our earth is divided into continents and 5 oceans, and how it happens that one continent, one huge continent and one huge ocean divided into 7 continents and 5 oceans. We also learn about NASA and astronomy and astronauts.